Welcome to LayerZero Power Systems, the best-in-class manufacturer of power distribution units, static transfer switches, and power panels. LayerZero products are used in mission-critical environments, such as data centers. With our in-house manufacturing, we control every aspect of our products, from concept to creation. Our industry-leading products are 100% American-made and provide what businesses around the globe depend on: uninterrupted, reliable power. Our mission is simple: empower organizations to operate with confidence, knowing their power distribution systems are designed for maximum reliability.
From our beginnings in 2001 to our global presence today, every step of our journey has been driven by a single goal: delivering mission-critical power solutions that enable our customers to reach their highest potential. Over the years, we've grown into a trusted global brand, serving diverse industries that depend on consistent, reliable power. When your operations demand the very best in power distribution, LayerZero Power Systems is here to ensure you have exactly what you need.
LayerZero Power Systems' continuous growth has led to the expansion of our manufacturing capabilities. With the extended space, we can continue to fabricate all parts in-house.
Thanks to our continued expansion, we're equipped to handle rising industry demands. LayerZero is committed to staying at the forefront of power distribution technology.
Our products kind of dive into is making sure that there's no hiccups, there's no headaches, there's no frustrations that come to our users. We design it with that level of detail to make sure that there's always reliability within the design, that there's always measures in place to make sure that we're creating a high quality product.
In the circuit board design, we basically have full-fledged computers on these boards that are dedicated to doing this specific task. And we can describe the engineering behind each decision, and I think that translates to quality.
We submit code and review code up until even the testing requirements.
Everything is built with reliability in mind to keep the system operating for many years, for decades.
It's cool that we're vertically integrated because you kind of get that direct feedback from those people.
We get our prototype in and we try to make the thing start up and boot. Seeing the lights turn on for the first time and the boot messages show up, that's when I have the most joy and the most pride in what I've done.
At LayerZero Power Systems, we believe that quality begins with precision at every stage of manufacturing. We combine advanced machinery, like our laser punch, press brakes, and robotic welding systems, with the craftsmanship of our skilled technicians. We form and braze bus bars for maintenance-free connections, and our wire processing lines produce labeled, color-coded harnesses.
So what's most important to me about quality is being precise. I try to work hand in hand with the teams that I have to work with in order to meet our customers' needs.
With quality and reliable power being our top priority, our products last around 20 years, with some of our first products still in operation at mission-critical facilities. At LayerZero Power Systems, you can rest assured that every product undergoes extensive testing to verify reliability and safety before leaving our facilities.
LayerZero delivers state-of-the-art power distribution solutions for mission-critical environments. Our products, including ESTS, EPODs, and ERPPs, are trusted by our customers around the world to provide safe and reliable power.
On my assignments, I provide technical support, including but not limited to repairs, upgrades, troubleshooting, and initial startups.
What I like most about my job is solving problems, being there for the customers when they need us, and making their life easier.
It's very engaging. It's technically challenging, and I get to work with a lot of other trade partners, and in that process, I'm usually learning something new every day.
One thing I can say about our CST team is that we're not going to leave you holding the bag. We're going to do everything possible to help resolve any and all situations as fast as we can.
It's similar to my experience in the military in that I get to be a part of something that's bigger than myself.
As we continue to expand and refine our capabilities, LayerZero's vision remains the same: to empower businesses with safe, reliable power distribution.
If you're seeking a trustworthy manufacturer of mission-critical power distribution equipment, one that values integrity, innovation, and customer success, LayerZero is here for you. Let's connect and explore how LayerZero Power Systems can help you reach your goals.
LayerZero Power Systems, the foundation layer.